Good afternoon, students of class 5. Hope all of you are fine. Today we have the third reading comprehension. I'll read it for you. Please follow your book, page 135. 12-year-old Louis Braille eagerly listened to what the captain of the French army had to say about night writing, a method of sending simple secret message by punching dot marks on thick paper. Its practice enabled people to read it even in the dark with their fingertips. An idea flashed through Braille's mind. Why not develop a whole alphabet using a system of raised dots? There would be different dot patterns for different letters, numbers and punctuation marks. From 1821 onwards, Braille worked day and night and finally developed a Braille alphabet system in 1824. It then became possible for blind people to read information printed in this system by moving their fingers over the raised dots. So, while most people read with their eyes, blind people read in their own special way by using their fingers. So, this is all about the passage, and this is based on a Braille system invented by Louis Braille. No, it is for mainly meant for the blind people to read, and nowadays it is available even in the blind schools. And this is just like a normal we look and read, and they touch and read, and made as such a books with the raised dots of the alphabets of in any language. So this is invented by Louis Braille, and the year everything is given. The same lesson I suppose you have even in the moral science, if I am not mistaken. In the last year there was. So what you have to do is read well, try to get the answers. Now I'll just go through the answers. How old was Louis when he thought of developing a new alphabet? What is night writing? Night writing nothing else, but people can even night writing mainly the people those who are in dark, blind people. No. How many years did Louis Braille take to develop the Braille alphabet system? How is the Braille alphabet system helpful for the blind? Give this passage a suitable title. So please go through, read it, and try to answer for this. And by the time next class we will get the solved answers as well. Now I'm going to do the number 4th one also, because with this we will complete this reading comprehension and we can go ahead with other lessons. So we have here number 4, page 136. The presence of certain qualities makes friendship a special relationship. A true friend is consistent and honest. A true friend is not afraid to give an honest opinion and does not say things for the sake of getting approval. A friend provides companionship and continuous support. There is no room for pride, jealousy, or rivalry in friendship. Rivalry is like a hatred. No, opposite. No, we are like behaving like enemies. When one enjoys a period of prosperity, good times, many people claim to be his friends. Now, we always say when we are at a good time, so many friends we have. When we are at the bad time, nobody will be there. No, this is the meaning of this. This is not true friendship. It is so because these so-called friends pull away one's difficult times. True friends stands by each other both in good and bad times. In the Ramayana, Sugriva and Rama honor their pact of friendship through the entire epic. Rama helps Sugriva kills his brother Bali and helps him to regain his kingdom. Sugriva provides his army to assist Rama in his search for Sita and does not rest until she is found and safely returned to Rama. So this Sugriva is known as who is that one who went into the jungle and brought Sita, who carried that the whole place and destroyed the helped Ravana to be destroyed. Now we say it is nobody else a Hanuman. No, that is the name of Sugriva. In Mahabharata, Karna, at the cost of his own life, remains a true friend to Duryodhana. He honors his friendship with Duryodhana even after knowing that he, in reality, is the son of Kundi and that the Pandavas are his own brothers. He does not break his commitment to Duryodhana. So, this is about the passage is based on true friendship. And few examples are given about Ramayana in Sugriva and Rama, and Mahabharata Karna, how the good friendship brought a good end, and how the commitment and the helpful each other can be done. So we have the question answers and some other exercises. I'll just read it for you, but thereafter you will do by yourself till you have till Monday time. Please do it by these days. Mention any two qualities of a true friend. What should a good friend avoid to maintain a good friendship? How could we say that both Sugriva and Karna had qualities of true friendship? Choose the correct answer out of the following. True friends stand by each other, move away from each other. Select one. In the Mahabharata, an example of a true friend is Balarama, Shaguni and Karna. Friendship involves being jealous of each other, being truthful towards each other, saying things for the sake of getting approval from each other. Say whether the following statements or sentences are true or false. Being consistent towards one another in all situations is called friendship. That attitude of friendship can be looked upon as a responsibility. Sugriva and Karna honored the pact of friendship in the Ramayana. Rivals can make very good friends. And one who is friend during both good and bad time is a true friend. So follow this video, read your passage well many times and try to get the answers for it. Thereafter we will have the next class. I'll be giving you the solved book exercises for you to check your answers. So please keep reading. Next time we'll have another new topic. Thank you.